Hello everyone and welcome back to DYD Auto. Today we're taking a look at the MAN eTGX electric semi-trailer tractor, a cutting-edge heavy logistics truck built for zero-emission transport, high-volume loads, and modern electric capability. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll explore what this truck brings to the table, what's new in this electric version, how it performs, and whether it's ready for serious haulage operations. Let's begin with an overview. The MAN eTGX is designed for heavy logistics with large trailers and high-volume loads, especially in applications where conventional trucks pull semi-trailers with interior height up to 3 meters. With the ultra-low liner configuration, this electric truck can meet demanding volume and load requirements. What's new for this electric version? MAN offers a modular battery concept, 4, 5, or 6 packs, enabling ranges around 500 kilometers in certain configurations. It supports high-power fast charging up to around 375 kilowatts, and in future MCS charging up to 1 MW. This shows the electric heavy haul future is arriving. Now let's talk performance and positioning. While pricing details remain limited, the eTGX clearly sits at the forefront of electric heavy trucks. With power outputs around 449 to 544 GP in some versions, full trailer compatibility and high logistic utility, this truck is aimed at fleets who want serious capability with zero emissions. On the practicality side, the eTGX ultra-low liner configuration delivers a low fifth wheel height around 950 mm and short wheelbase for compatibility with high-volume trailers. This means it can match or even exceed certain diesel tractor units in specialized logistics settings. What about usability for drivers and operations? As an electric heavy truck, the eTGX offers quieter, smoother operation, fewer mechanical shifts in performance, and the chance for fleets to reduce total cost of ownership through lower maintenance and zero tailpipe emissions, especially important in urban and industrial logistics. Charging, range, and operational economics matter, with ranges around 500 kilometers and the potential for far greater in future versions, along with fast charging. The eTGX becomes practical for many heavy haul applications. Infrastructure still matters, but the gap between diesel and electric in the segment is closing fast. Connectivity, fleet management, and uptime are built into the design. MAN's electric truck platform supports logistics operations, remote monitoring, and service support to maintain high productivity, a key requirement when you're replacing a diesel-heavy tractor with an electric alternative. Of course, there are trade-offs. The upfront investment in an electric heavy tractor may be higher. Charging infrastructure and job profile must match the capability, and fleet operators need to consider how the range and load profile align with real-world tasks. But for the right missions, the eTGX offers compelling value. In summary, the 2026 MAN eTGX electric semi-tractor is a forward-looking machine. It combines heavy-duty logistics capability, zero-emissions powertrain, and high-volume compatibility into a package built for modern transport demands. Fleets committed to electrification and high utilization should watch this closely. In conclusion, thanks for watching DYD Auto. If you enjoyed this review of the MAN eTGX electric heavy-duty tractor, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on heavy electric trucks. We'll see you in the next video.